All right. We are here doing a quick update video tour, and look at the grass. It is greener on the other side. So the grass is all green. They have been keeping up with the water. Looking cute. A few of the neighbors' houses are already being finished and or completed, so not a lot of construction going on before y'all move in. The foyer entryway. Hello. Door maintenance. Yard is flooring looks like it is being put in and or it has been put in. Checking everything out. Carpet is in. You're still doing detailing on that. Fans working, nice and cool in here already. Utility room, little area for a nook. This is the entrance to the garage. Guys working hard. The double door entryway to dining. The natural lighting in here is really great. Kitchen area, waterfall countertops. A few touches. Looks like different unless that's drying. Definitely some touch-ups. Some areas are already marked. And of course, once they're finished, we'll schedule our first initial walkthrough where Jenna and I will go through and just tape any details. She's the eye of the tiger, so she definitely will make sure everything is perfectly set up. Look at that yard. Just ready for you to put a pool and a margarita in it. Hello. Just quick. And finishing up the bathroom. Shower area. Me waving at you guys while y'all are out of town. Quick. Thank you. You can kind of see the flooring. They have it all protected right now while they're working. Check out here real quick. Oh yeah. Big patio. Look how big that patio is. Great for entertaining, Reese and Gail. And there's a bunny. There's a bunny. Look at that bunny. It's so cute. Nice big yard. Grass is looking well maintained. I'm gonna kind of back up, see if I don't know. Ooh. Oh, that's soft. That is some soft grass right there. Back of the house. And then Kate is confirming the gutters. You got that gas pipe out here if y'all wanted to put a grill. Get back in here. Lock the door. But even without any of the lights on, or a few of the lights on, the natural lighting is looking really good. Ooh, let me just creep in here. Check out this room. Make sure all the selected items are correct. And then looks like another coat closet. All right, thank you guys. And then we'll do another quick tour of the neighborhood. Even though it is hotter than hot outside, it was cool in there, which is very nice. So I'm not sure, but I'll confirm, but I think y'all wanted 2 lanterns right there. Again, since it's been a couple of months and all of this was vacant, they've built a few houses. Look how fast they are. September, October was definitely a joke, but the fencing is high, so that privacy, even though it is right here on the street and the mailbox is right there, as you can see, it is at the very tip of the house. I'm in high heels right now, so I'm about I'm probably like 6'4" right now. Can't creep in your backyard, even though those pool parties are gonna be great. But it's nice that these homes are already built, so it's not gonna be too much construction going on. And hopefully completed. And then as you can see, mailbox are way closer, not encroaching near too close to the house. Back of the neighbors. There we go.